Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to reach those tricky spots between your teeth while brushing, then you know the struggle of maintaining proper oral hygiene. Flossing is one option, but there's another way to get that deep clean, especially if you're using braces or other dental devices. Today we're talking about the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Refills, the moderate version. If you're tired of missing those hard-to-reach spaces, stick around to see how these brushes might make a real difference. And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss our honest beauty and health reviews. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Refills are designed to work with the GUM permanent handle or their dual-ended handle. This makes them a versatile tool in your dental care routine. The 36 count means you're stocked up for a while, and these refills are engineered with soft bristles that are perfect for sliding between moderately spaced teeth to remove plaque and food particles. What's really special about these brushes is that they come pre-treated with a hygienic solution that can last up to 10 days. This gives you a cleaner, fresher experience every time you use them. If you're someone who wears braces or other dental appliances, you'll be happy to know that the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens have a nylon-coated wire, ensuring you can clean around those areas without worrying about causing scratches or any kind of galvanic shock. That's a huge plus if you're trying to keep your dental devices in top shape. I've been using these for a couple of weeks now, and I can tell you right away that they are incredibly easy to incorporate into my daily routine. I use them in the morning and evening, especially after meals, to give that extra clean between my teeth. The brushes glide in smoothly without much effort and remove food particles that my regular toothbrush just can't reach. I've also noticed a slight improvement in the cleanliness of my teeth after just a few days of use. There's a noticeable difference in how fresh my mouth feels, and my gums feel less inflamed, which is always a good sign. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, these brushes make cleaning between teeth really simple and efficient. The nylon-coated wire is gentle yet effective, making it ideal for those with sensitive gums or dental appliances like braces. The fact that they're pre-treated with a hygienic solution for 10 days of use is also a fantastic touch. You really get that peace of mind that your brush is clean every time you use it. Plus, they're lightweight and easy to maneuver, which makes them suitable for any oral care routine. On the downside, they may not be the best option for people with very tight spaces between their teeth. If you find that you need something with finer bristles or even tighter spaces to clean, you might want to check out the other options in the GUM Proxabrush range. As for value for money, I think these are reasonably priced for what they offer. A 36 count of these refills is not only cost-effective, but also lasts quite a while. Given that they help maintain a higher level of oral hygiene, they're certainly worth the investment if you're looking to maintain healthier teeth and gums. When compared to other similar products on the market, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens offer a solid balance of affordability, performance, and ease of use. While some high-end alternatives might come with extra features, I find that these are a reliable, no-frills option for effective interdental cleaning. Let's talk about build quality. The brushes are well made, and the nylon-coated wire feels durable. The packaging is simple, and they come in a handy refill pack, making it easy to keep your handles stocked up. Over time, I've found that they hold up well and don't wear out too quickly, which makes them a great long-term investment in your oral health. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally interacted with customer support, but GUM is a well-known brand with a reputation for great customer service. So I'm confident that if you run into any issues, they'll be quick to respond and helpful in solving them. So, do I recommend the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens? Absolutely. These are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to maintain a deep clean between their teeth, especially those with braces or dental appliances. They're easy to use, effective, and a good value for the money. If you have moderate spacing between your teeth, these brushes will serve you well. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.